Hello friends, how doing good? Today I'll show you how you can add email on your iPhone. So if you want to add email on your iPhone, then you should go to mailbox. Alright. This is the iPhone default mail option. So now depends on your mail like Yahoo, Gmail, Outlook, iCloud like that, which one you are using. So now I show you with Outlook. Alright. So now I just click on Outlook. Now next. Okay. Need to type my password. Okay, I just paste here. Okay, now just log in, sign in. Now need to accept. Yeah, so now you ask which one you want to enable this option. For this email, you can just enable and disable like that. So now you need to save, alright. Protect mail activities, alright. Yes, no mail right now. Already done my mail to inbox. If I want to new email, then I just type here. All right. Thanks for the watching, and let me know if you have any problem. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye bye.